Welcome to Uncommon Facts, your ultimate channel for exploring everything extraordinary. Are you ready to uncover truths and debunk myths across all realms of knowledge, from history's hidden stories to tomorrow's technology, from Earth's deep mysteries to cosmic enigmas? We dive deep into it all. Every week we bring you facts that are as fascinating as they are rare. Dive into stories that will astonish, educate, and inspire. So make sure to subscribe and join us as we uncover the secrets of the unusual and the unknown. Here, every fact is a journey, and every story is an adventure. Join us every week as we bring you surprising revelations and strange facts that will challenge your understanding of the world around you. So hit that subscribe button and let's start unraveling the mysteries of the universe together. Remember, every discovery tells a story and every fact opens a door. Stay curious and prepare to be amazed. This is Uncommon Facts, where the only thing you can expect is the unexpected.
The ocean, covering over 70% of Earth's surface, is one of the least explored regions of our planet. When we talk about the ocean depths, we're referring to vast, dark, and mysterious areas that are incredibly difficult to reach. To this day, scientists estimate that we've only explored about 5% of the ocean, meaning most of it remains a mystery. Below 3,500 meters, we enter a realm where light no longer penetrates, and the pressure is so immense that only the hardiest and most specialized creatures can survive. Yet, in these inhospitable environments, we find some of the most bizarre and least understood creatures on Earth. The first thing that strikes us as we descend into the ocean is how quickly the light fades. At just 100 meters below the surface, sunlight begins to disappear. This region, called the twilight zone, stretches from 200 to 1,000 meters deep. Here, dim blue light filters through the water, creating an otherworldly glow. Surprisingly, life thrives in this zone. Phytoplankton, the tiny plants that form the base of the ocean's food chain, can still survive here, feeding billions of small creatures like krill, which in turn feed larger predators such as whales and sharks. But the deeper we go, the darker it gets, and the more unusual the creatures become. Beyond 1,000 meters, we enter the midnight zone. This is a place where total darkness reigns, and the pressure is more than 100 times that at sea level. The creatures that live here are adapted to an environment so harsh, it would be unthinkable for life as we know it on land to survive. Yet, life in the midnight zone is abundant, and it has evolved in fascinating ways. Many creatures here, such as the anglerfish, rely on bioluminescence to hunt or avoid predators. The anglerfish, with its grotesque, tooth-filled mouth and a glowing lure protruding from its head, attracts prey in the darkness by mimicking the appearance of smaller creatures. As unsuspecting prey swims toward the light, the anglerfish strikes, swallowing them whole with its massive jaws. But bioluminescence isn't just used for hunting. Some animals use it for camouflage, while others flash their lights to communicate or to startle potential predators. One of the most striking examples is the comb jelly, a gelatinous creature that produces rainbow-like flashes of light as it swims, creating a mesmerizing display in the dark water. This light show may seem beautiful, but it's also a survival tactic, confusing predators and making it harder for them to focus on their prey. At around 2,000 meters, we enter the abyssal zone, a world of freezing temperatures, immense pressure, and complete darkness. This zone extends to the ocean floor in most parts of the world, reaching depths of up to 6,000 meters. Here, food is incredibly scarce, and most creatures must rely on marine snow. Tiny particles of dead plants, animals, and other organic material that drift down from the upper layers of the ocean for sustenance. Creatures like giant isopods, which resemble oversized pill bugs, scuttle across the sea floor, scavenging for any remains they can find. These scavengers are masters of survival, capable of going months without a meal in the harsh, food-deprived environment of the abyss. That some of the most extraordinary creatures of the ocean are found. The gulper eel, for instance, has a long, whip-like tail and an enormous mouth that can expand to swallow prey much larger than itself. Its flexible body and wide jaw are perfect adaptations for a life of scarcity, allowing it to take advantage of any food it encounters. Another strange resident of these depths is the zombie worm, a creature that feeds on the bones of dead whales. These worms secrete acids to break down the bone material, which they then absorb through their skin. Yet another example of how life in the deep ocean has evolved to make the most of the few resources available. As we continue our descent, we reach the depths of the ocean trenches, where the seafloor drops off into steep, narrow chasms. The most famous of these is the Mariana Trench, which plunges down to nearly 11,000 meters below the surface. This is the Hadal Zone, named after Hades, the ancient Greek god of the underworld. The conditions here are extreme. Temperatures hover just above freezing, and the pressure is more than 1,000 times greater than at sea level. For many years, scientists believed that life couldn't exist at these depths, but recent explorations have revealed that even in the Hadal Zone, life not only survives, it thrives. In 2012, scientists made a groundbreaking discovery at the bottom of the Mariana Trench. There, they found giant amphipods, shrimp-like creatures that typically measure only a few centimeters long. However, in the crushing depths of the trench, these amphipods had grown to a staggering 34 centimeters, a phenomenon known as deep-sea gigantism. This discovery challenged our understanding of how animals survive under such extreme pressure. How could these creatures, living in a place where the pressure is so intense that it would crush most life, not only survive, but grow to such enormous sizes? Another incredible discovery from the depths of the Mariana Trench is the snailfish, a small, translucent fish found at depths of over 8,000 meters. These fish have no scales, and their soft, gelatinous bodies are perfectly adapted to withstand immense pressure. They feed on small invertebrates and marine snow, and their ability to survive in one of the most hostile environments on Earth has provided scientists with valuable insights into the limits of life on our planet. The deep ocean isn't just home to strange and fascinating creatures. It also holds some of the planet's most extreme environments. One of the most remarkable features of the deep sea are the hydrothermal vents, found at depths of around 2,500 meters. These vents, known as black smokers, spew superheated water rich in minerals from beneath the Earth's crust. The water from these vents can reach temperatures of up to 400 degrees Celsius, yet life thrives here. Giant tube worms, some measuring over 2 meters in length, cluster around the vents, relying on bacteria to convert the toxic chemicals into energy in a process known as chemosynthesis. This discovery turned the scientific understanding of life upside down, showing that organisms could survive without sunlight, living off the energy from Earth's interior. We're learning that the deep sea is a place of extraordinary biodiversity. New species are being discovered all the time, and with each new discovery, we gain a deeper understanding of how life can adapt to the most extreme conditions. Some scientists believe that the deep ocean could even hold clues to the origins of life on Earth. The hydrothermal vents, with their rich mineral environments, may resemble the conditions that existed billions of years ago when life first began. Studying these ecosystems could give us insights into how life might evolve on other planets or moons with similar environments. One of the most intriguing aspects of deep-sea life is how creatures have evolved to survive without sunlight. In the upper layers of the ocean, photosynthesis, the process by which plants and algae convert sunlight into energy, is the foundation of the food chain. But in the deep ocean, where sunlight doesn't reach, creatures have had to develop entirely different strategies for survival. Some rely on chemosynthesis, while others feed on marine snow or the remains of dead animals that sink from above. It's a harsh, competitive world where only the most well-adapted creatures survive. As we dive deeper into the mysteries of the ocean, it becomes clear that we are only scratching the surface of what there is to discover. Recent advances in technology have allowed us to explore deeper and more frequently than ever before, revealing new species and ecosystems that were previously unknown. In 2020, 6 manned expeditions ventured into the Mariana Trench, each bringing back valuable data and new insights into the creatures that inhabit the ocean's deepest regions. As technology continues to improve, we can expect even more groundbreaking discoveries in the future. The deep ocean is a world unlike any other on Earth, a place of extremes where life has adapted to conditions that would be unimaginable anywhere else. From glowing predators to scavenging giants, the creatures of the deep ocean have evolved in ways that challenge our understanding of biology and survival. The secrets of the ocean depths are vast, and as we continue to explore, we can only imagine what other wonders await us in the darkest, most mysterious corners of our planet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.